Well, we're back on the reef once again. It's real early this morning. We left the ramp at about 2 o'clock, just after 2, and we've got a nice full moon. I don't know if you can see that behind, but it's full moon today. So we're gonna be out here for about 2 or 3 hours before sunrise, popping, and the goal is to try and get a big GT, or any GT really, and then once the sun comes up, we could even get a Spanish now as well. Once the sun comes up, we'll be sort of chasing Spanish a bit more, doing a bit of trolling and stuff like that. But got about 3 hours this morning to hopefully get a big GT or something off the surface. Sean's here again. He's got himself a couple of setups and he's super keen. He's got that dolly on one of the last episodes of the series, and now we're going to try and get him his first fish on the cast on a lure today. So probably going to be dark for the first bit and we probably won't be seeing much, but if we hook up, lights will come on and hopefully we've got a big GT on the end of the line. Wow, dude.
There is fish fucking absolutely everywhere.
Can you believe that? Hell, dude. Some fish about. I haven't seen that many fish here. Oh, yeah. First cast on the popper. What is that? It's not taking any drag. Jesus. That's small. Cast over there, bro. Cast over toward my line. Oh. Didn't even get the pop that, eh? Oh, dude. There we go. Holy hell. First cast. Yeah, hang on, just wait now.
I'll just help you.
Oh my. Alright. Can you maybe get... Oh! Wow. That was huge. And there goes a $60 lure.
Snippy boy.
I don't know if that was mackerel, scuff leader. Holy, I don't know if that was mackerel or a shark. Holy shit. That was first cast. First cast, man. There goes popper number 1. Fuck. Alright, re-rigged. That's a 200mm River to Sea Dumble pop, and that lure I just lost was the 100g cast popper and the black pearl, which is a bummer because it's a good lure. Hadn't caught anything on that yet. I don't know what that was. Didn't really feel like a jeet, but don't know. We were in sort of the shallows there and he could have done me, but it could have been a shark. Telling myself it was a shark. Just but all right, we'll start throwing this around now. Head back up sort of where I hooked that fish and go again. Oh dude, cast over here. There's fucking bait and shit. Yep. Shawno's on.
Yep.
Alright, that's it. Set the hook, yep. Keep going, keep winding, wind. You drop in?
Nah.
Oh.
Dude.
Just, yeah, you gotta keep.
Oh, bro, I set that.
Yeah. Well, there we go. That's hook up number 2. Yep. Shauno's got one on the popper.
Yep.
Keep going, keep rip it. That's it. Just keep winding, keep ripping until he turns, and and starts running the other way, just keep ripping on him and whining. Get these lights on. Oh, he's right here. He's right here. Oh, Cuda.
Oh, you're kidding. What are we doing
no
with this thing?
Oh,
Get off.
hey, it's your first fish off. First fish on the cast. First fish off the top. Even though it's a Cuda. Hey,
Skull drag.
oh my god. Hey,
Holy.
woo! With the bail on for us?
Yeah.
I'll give you a little look. There he is. Shauno's first fish on the cast on a lure. First fish on the surface. Let's get it, make it a GT the next one. I'm gonna throw the stick bait now. Done a few drifts with the poppers. Had a bit of success, had a couple of bites and stuff, but I feel like maybe they could be onto it. I don't know, just try something different this drift. So go with the sticky, that's a Shimano Rocket Dive 187. One of my favourite stickies, and see if we can get something come up and eat this. Just trying a new line.
Yeah.
Get away from them cooters.
Yeah.
Just see if there's anything up this edge this time. This thing makes a nice flash for a small popper, right?
Yeah. Yeah, you hit those different angles and it really is not good.
Oh, that's big. Boy. Yeah. Hit the lights, bro.
Where?
Hit the lights. Oh, I don't know actually. Oh, dude, don't tell me it's another. No, it's not. Small G.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought that was big. Like, he hit that so hard.
Good hit.
Yeah, little G.
Yeah, nice.
Oh, big eye.
Huh?
Big eye. Big eye trevally. Bit different to a
You right?
Yeah. And there we go. He hit that like something massive, and that was on the stick bait. Now just switched over. That's a bit more of what we're after on that rocket dive. Nice little big eye. That's probably one of the biggest big eye I've ever caught. But let's hopefully we can get a Jeet or a Spanish soon. Send him back. Right, well, sun's rising now. Boats are starting to pile in, and that's why another reason why we came out early is because we knew there was going to be a lot of people out here today with the forecast. So we've worked our way sort of to the back of the reef. We'll probably put the trolling lures out, maybe do a little lap, and then get back to the area where we've marked up a heap of fish and start casting again. So these are the lures I use to troll. This is the Halco Max Crazy Deep. I think that goes down to like 6 or 8 meters or something. And I'll have that on one side, and then the one that's been doing the damage lately is the Shallow Laser Pro. Oh, I don't know the exact size, but it goes down to about 2 meters. So one deep, one shallow, and we'll have a little troll around, and then we'll pull up and start casting again. Oh, bust up. Tuna, grab a rod. Ah, small stick bait. Oh yeah, throw the popper.
Where's that coming?
Tuna busting up over here. Tuna busting up there big time. Oh, something just grabbed that, bro. Something just grabbed that lure. Yep, it just went bombing. Yeah, probably one. Blokes over here are on. just grabbed that shallow diver too. Rod just bent down, but hooks didn't get in. Now it's not swimming properly. That was decent sized tuna. No. Really? Big boy. Oh! Just as we stop. How's that? So just as we stopped trolling, this lure got grabbed. The one that's been doing the damage, shallow diver, and he's gone. Fully snipped, so definitely a mackerel. A few boats are hooking up. Looks like these boys over here are on as well. Damn it! All right, I reckon we should pull up and start casting, eh? Oh yes, 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 yes. There we go. On the small stick bait there, switch it up to the Fly Dog 125. How deep is it? 23. And this is a pretty nice fish. He's just, I don't know what he's doing, he's just sitting there. He needs to take some runs. Feels good, a lot of weight. Not really doing much yet. I'm thinking Spanish. Definitely not a tuna. Or, no, he doesn't have them tuna bumps. You can see colour. Grab the gaff probably. Please. Please don't be tuna. Nah, it's not a tuna. That's a Spanish. Oh, I don't know. There's colour there. Probably go under the boat here. And now that's on. Just go easy on him. And it's a Spanish. There we go. Oh no. No! 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 I seen that long flank and just thought 100%. Oh, what a shocker. So we've lost a few lures. Definitely just got snipped off before and I thought I had him then, but bloody tuna. Come here. Oh, he didn't have the tuna kick, so didn't think it was, but fucking dirty Mac. There we go. Bummer. Pliers. Get out of here.
What were you thinking the whole time? Redemption.
Oh.
Losing all those lures ain't that bad.
Yeah, I was there. Sweet. It's all good.
Celebrated too early, eh?
Yeah. It's a Spanish. Girl. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Stop for a second, get fucking snipped. What a joke. Oh, they love that shallow. I knew I should have got another one of them. Oh, there we go. Here, you want him, bro?
No, you're right. You go.
You take him. Here, you take him. You take him. On him. So we hooked up then. We'll just move him back up to the top of the reef. We lost the shallow diver, so I quickly just threw the deep diver out. Oh, that could be a Spanish. Oh, is it lure there? Oh, give us a no lure. Nah, snips. You're bloody kidding. There we go, clean snip. So there goes another Spanish and another lure. We'll get back up and start casting. They're on over there. Everyone's hooking up. I just seen a Spanish airstrike out here just then. I'm gonna throw the small stick in there. Oh yes!
Nice. Yes, dude.
Oh no! No, I got him! Got him! It's coming at us. Oh, don't tell me it's another tuna.
Is it?
Oh, he looks. Oh my god. Oh my god, it was a tuna. Perfect quick release. Let's go again.